Module 7, Lesson 2, Add a Competitor. You already watch your competitors informally. A glance at their LinkedIn, a mental note about their last launch. The competitor's surface makes that systematic. Tracked companies, their social activity, and AI that drafts your response. Open competitors in the sidebar under Intelligence. Each tracked competitor gets a card, name, the channels being watched, threat level, and their recent activity. The activity feed below aggregates their posts across competitors, newest first, so the page reads like a single timeline of your market talking. Click Add Competitor. 3 fields matter, name, obviously. The channels you care about, where this competitor actually publishes, which for B2B usually means LinkedIn first, and threat level, how seriously this company contends for your customers. Threat level isn't vanity, it's triage. High threat competitors deserve a response when they move. A counter post, a sales talking point, a roadmap conversation. Low threat ones are just worth a glance in the weekly review. Set it honestly and revisit it quarterly. Threat levels drift as markets move. What you've added by hand is the seed. The next lesson connects live research. Simple marketing syncs competitor posts automatically, so the timeline fills itself and you stop doing the watching by hand. Next lesson, Manus Live Research. One click pulls fresh competitor intelligence into this surface. See you there.